Hey everyone, we've got this M6 here at the shop today that we'll be performing some surgery on and doing a nice makeover. Customer originally brought it over to us after getting diagnosis from the dealership. This headlight assembly was taking on a lot of water. It shorted out the module and the customer ended up with us. And after speaking about it, we'll be doing a full-blown retrofit and a makeover, to say the least. So you can see these upper eyebrows are you can see they've got all that cracking from the inside, which makes it look really heavily worn. He's got the tinted kind of Laminex over the amber. We'll be taking care of that and painting it black so it blends in and makes it look really uniform. Halos will be getting a upgrade, brand new lenses in the front. He's got the upper housings from BMW, and we're gonna do a projector conversion. So this uses that standard E46 Bosch by Xenon. That's what it's called in the retrofitting industry. And those are adaptive. So we're going to retain that feature. We'll show you how this all comes together over the next few days, but yeah, you can see a lot of wear there. So this will look really good. The car's a little dirty, looks like it was sitting outside. However, it's in good hands now. I'll get this up in the air and remove the assemblies and we'll figure out what's going on here. But yeah, we'll do a quick feature function test and just show you what's going on. So these halos only come on as parking lights. It looks like the right one is out. I think everything on that light is probably being turned off by the computer. We'll dry it out. I don't see any visible water now, but it could be sitting under there. And we'll try to sort that issue out. But you can see the halo on the right. It makes it look kind of dated. And I know we can improve that, so we are going to. We'll work on that next. And yeah, I think we can make everything a lot better here. It's going to look brand new. It'll look more uniform. It'll freshen up that front end. And I'll get the lights turned on. We can assess that next. All right, guys, so obviously it's just one projector. It's not going to be a fair comparison once we're all done with this, but this is the same projector that's in the E70s and the E46 and the E92. A lot of Mercedes, a lot of Audi, it's all the same. So you guys know what you're getting into. Our performance conversions will be at least 2 or 3 times brighter, just apples to apples using the same bulbs. Obviously this customer is driving around with a single headlight. It's dated, it's old, it needs some love. We'll be doing that G5 BRT by Xenon conversion, some new bulbs, and get this car back to how it should look from the factory and restore that front end. So I'll keep you posted. All right, we've got these opened up and we're working on figuring out the halo situation. Check it out, you can see a lot of water stains. Water's definitely been present in both of these headlight assemblies. The internals, they do use that E46 or Bosch by Xenon, whatever you want to call it, but if you take a look at this, it actually looks very familiar, and it's very similar internals to the E46 CI model. I think it was like 2005, 2006. It's kind of a pain to take it out. You gotta remove that and take apart all the internals. But the AFS system will work and everything's gonna work out just fine. It's just a complicated retrofit. And we'll show you how all that comes together. We'll be putting in new bulbs. We're waiting for new ballast because this thing is fried out. And a few other things, but we'll keep you posted along the way. All right, lots of effort to get this out. This is a crazy contraption here, because usually you would remove just kind of this slimmer portion, but everything is kind of built in. You got the high beam built into there, or the flash capacity, or whatever it is. But you've got this interesting vertical motor. I don't know why they came up with this. There's a lot of different ways that we've seen it done, but this is certainly unique. Usually you just have a motor that's kind of mounted on the back here and it pushes a rod and light goes up and down, but they decided to complicate it there. So this is the before, and we'll get started in just a few moments on the actual retrofit itself with the brackets, and we'll show you how that all works. But this is definitely worth mentioning and worth showing. It's pretty wild looking. All right, here's that new G5 BRT. Super tight fitment. You can just see perimeter of the lens holder. I mean, it can barely get through the front of that frame, which is quite amazing. We're actually using a different bracket here. It's not on the website. We don't want to confuse people. This bracket's specifically made for the E46 by Xenon, this Bosch by Xenon type of projector, but it uses these rear pegs for mounting, sort of like you've seen on the E55 AFS shrouds if you have used those. Very similar, but it's only applicable to this projector, and really this is probably the only projector that's going to fit. It allows you to keep everything super compact. Essentially, you are modifying the projector to bear nothing, and you don't have to retain any of the mounting points, and that's the only way you're getting that AFS clearance. As you can see, the projector doesn't kind of go past the boundaries of that original frame, and if it does, it's just by a millimeter. So that way you have full clearance, no issues with the adaptive system. We're about to put this all back into the to the back housing and get everything situated, but this is ready to go, and we'll show you how everything looks in a little bit. All right, things are really coming together now. Check out that AR coating. It's such a subtle pop of blue and purple, but it looks so good. Literally about to piece this together, and we're gonna get it all situated. So check it out, we've upgraded to those Orion version 4 halos that we use on a lot of the BMW conversions. They've got that thick diffuser, stacked LEDs, and it's super bright, super nice. For the outer one, we actually reused part of like the trim panel that holds the halo, got that situated nicely. And for the inner one, it's just filling up the perimeter of that opening. It looks really flush, really perfect. And finally, got that amber painted, a semi-flat black. The housing's stock plastic color, so that's why we like the semi-flat. It looks like it belongs, looks like original black plastic, and has that OEM look. So piece this together. We got some new lenses coming, and this is gonna shine nice. All right, we've got this all mounted up. So brand new lenses. Customer also supplied the upper turn signal housing as in running light. Check it out. So that shroud bezel is left chrome. Factory black housings. You got the painted amber on the side, which again really just blends in now. It looks so much better than the tint. The tint kind of warps and wrinkles over time and looks brown. This looks like a Euro spec now. It just blends in, it's super clean. There's no amber on the side. You still got the amber running lights. Oh man, that looks good. So the halos stick out a little bit more in the sense of you can kind of see them a little bit better because they've got those LEDs all running around it. And yeah, those are gonna be awesome. So you see the AR coating on the blue lens. It's a little bit hard to see, but in the sunlight, you take this thing out and it's gonna pop. So brand new headlight lenses. We offer the best quality lenses. These look absolutely mint. And we recommend paint protection film on any new headlight assembly, aftermarket, OEM, whatever you got. It's the only way to prevent the wear and tear on the setup. So we left the original halo bulbs in there, just kind of capped off, so that way the car is happy. Those halos ran as parking lights, sort of like on the E39. We wired these new Orion V4s to the ignition, so anytime the ignition's on, they come on. I'm going to turn them on for you next. I mean, they're so bright, they kind of get washed out on the camera. In person, it's pretty wild. Same sizing as stock. It is a unique shape and styling in this light assembly for BMW halos. They kind of ran with the half moon look, but these are full circles. The top gets cut off just a little bit, so it's not full circle on the inside, but check it out. These are super bright, super effective. You can see them on during the day, and they modernized the front end. I mean, this car is beautiful. But the headlights and everything worn, and there was condensation. It just was aging the front end. And we've got it's a whole new level now of lighting here. And it came out absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to turn on the headlights now and show you guys the output. So I just turned it on. The system is warming up. You got brand new Austrian bulbs here. Everything just matches, it's crispy. And I like the amber up top. It gives it that factory look. I think if it was white, it'd be almost too much. And this also keeps the car happy because let's face it, an LED bulb up there might cause some errors unless you do some programming. So I think this is a great look. And from the side, you still retain that running light. So keeps things legal-ish and happy. And we'll go over the output now with our G5 BRT projector conversion. So I didn't get a before lux reading because the output was so weak and it was only one side, so it would be unfair, but the output is crisp. It's going to be so usable on the road, so good. It's just so much better this way. And you got that color, you got that flicker from the cutoff. The front end looks modern. I mean, all in all, I think we knocked this out of the park. So if you guys are interested in getting set up with a retrofit, refresh, whatever you're looking for, just reach out to us. We'll give you honest opinions. We might not do everything that you wish to do, but we'll do everything that we are confident and comfortable in doing. And this is exactly what we specialize in, these OEM Plus retrofits. Bring it up to the modern spec and you're gonna gain performance and looks, and just it's a whole new life. So reach out to us, guys. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to us. And if you want to talk lighting, give us a ring.